What's up, Kia 2 Technical? So, if you know, I am having trouble with my zfold3, so I posted on Twitter. I'll probably try to put that screenshot of the problem that I wrote about that I'm having. So this is my second zfold3, as you can see here. Not too long ago, I came on YouTube and made a video about me getting a replacement for my zfold3 originally that I bought from AT&T because it had dead pixels, and then, I just didn't want the device to die on me. So fast forward to now, this is my replacement device. I made a video about me getting it in and setting it up and so on and so on. So you can go look at that video if you want to. But today is a sad day because on Monday, I woke up going to pick up my zfold3. I powered it on like I usually do with my zfold3. So it came on, but I'm going to show you something. It's working now on the front display, but the inner display, there's still a big issue. But anyways, on that Monday, I picked up the device, I plugged it, I turned it on, and I was sitting, waiting for, the device to come on. And it came on to the outer display. Today, it is working just fine, but on Monday, when I picked this up and turned it on, this outer display was frozen. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't swipe down, notification panel, anything. And I reset this. I did a factory data reset. I reset it. I backed everything up because I'm going to have to send this in to Samsung for them to try to either repair it, see if it can be fixed, or for them to send me a replacement, because this is my second replacement and this is a brand new zfold3 from them that the insurance sent me the first time. But since I still have my warranty available, since it hasn't been a year yet or whatever, and since I still have the warranty available, I can go through Samsung without paying. They were going to send me to a store near me, but I opted out of that. I just want to send it in because what if I go to a store and there's nothing they can do about it? Then I'll still have to wait and have to go through the same process. Maybe I should have went and checked it out, but I really didn't have time to try to get this up to a store, to try to call them, set an appointment, so on and so on. So I opted to have Samsung send me a box, which I'm waiting on. Today is Tuesday. I think they said that the box will come either Wednesday or Thursday. So as soon as they send me the box, I'm going to ship this device back to them. I think they said I needed to wait 10 to 5 or 12 days or something before they know what's going on with it. And then when they know, and then if they fix it, they'll send me information that it's fixable. If it's not, then they'll send me information that it's not fixable. And if they have to send me a replacement, then they'll send me information saying that they'll have to send me a replacement, and then I'll have to wait for the replacement. But thank goodness I do carry around other devices. Thank God this is not my main only device, because if it was, then I'd just be a dog in dead water. But anyways, the front display Monday was frozen, but it will turn on. And then I was like, okay, let me open it up. And as you can see now, there is nothing. So screen is completely dead in the inside, I guess. And the screen is acting wonky on the outside. Now, I just noticed that today, at first, this front display would stay on because the screen was froze and I had no access to even cutting it off at first. But now the screen will come on, as you can see, and when I open this screen, it's just nothing. It's blank. I don't know what happened, but I do know when I try to do the because they were like, have you tried to do the volume down and power button? I said, yes, I've done that like 3 or 4 times and nothing is happening. Did you try to plug it in and do it? I said, yes. I said, before I caught you, I did this 4 times with the holding it down, the volume button down, and the power button to see, you know, will it restart up? And it did. But when I was doing that, there was a white greenish line going up here, and then there was another one coming up here. I don't know where it came from. I've never dropped this device in water. It's never been dropped like flat on the face or anything. I know some people do have trouble with their folding phones just stopping on them, the inner displays and the outer displays, just stopping on them. And this would be my second time, you know, that I'm gonna have to deal with this, because this is the second Z Fold 3 that I've had since I purchased my original Z Fold 3, and I hadn't even had this replacement long, and now it is not working, you know. Is it a bummer? Yes. Am I really frustrated about it? Yes, I'm a little mad, but if I'm still under my warranty and everything's going to be free, you know, whether it's fixable or whether they give me a replacement, I will not have to pay like I did like I had to with the first one with the deductible. And as you can see now, it is frozen. Now the screen is locked up again like it was before. So that sucks. Can't cut it off right now. So it's just acting pretty wonky. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping they cannot fix this, because I really wouldn't mind a 4 or a 5. Since this Z Fold 3 has been out for 3 years now, they really don't make them anymore or have any just sitting around. So if there's a chance of me getting a replacement, I'll probably end up getting a 4. And if I get lucky enough, maybe a 5. I'm okay with getting a 4 because I had a 4 before. The 4 is a tad bit better than my 3. I'm just over the Z Fold 3 now. You know, it sucks that I have to deal with this again. But the first time I dealt with this, I went through AT&T or Suron because I had insurance. I called them again, but they were like, you have to talk to Samsung because you still have your warranty. Your warranty is still good, and they will cover it. Either they will, either they can fix it or check it out, test it, and see if it's fixable. If it's not fixable, then they'll determine if they can give you a replacement. So at first, I was just gonna go the Insuron route again and just pay the $299 deductible. But I was thinking like, no, why don't I just sit back and let Samsung deal with it? If either way it goes, either they fix it, it's free, or I get a replacement, it's free. And then think about this, if I get a replacement, that means I'm getting a brand new phone basically for free. So I'm going the Samsung route. But look, as you can see, the phone is frozen again. Don't know what happened. It was just working, but this is currently what I'm dealing with at the moment. It's just the hassle to even have to go through this, to reach out to them, to do this, to do that, because I was on the phone forever with AT&T before they transferred me over to Samsung. And then AT&T tells you one thing, and then Samsung tells you something totally different. I wish they had a way to where I can just get a replacement instead of even sending it in. You know, I'm not lying. I know people may lie about what's going on with their phone, but hey, I can still, they're going to get this device either way it goes. So they'll know that I am telling the truth. But I just wanted to make this video to update you guys about what's going on with me and what's been going on with me. So like I said, Monday I woke up, front display turns on, frozen just like now. Inner display, nothing at all. And on Monday, the inner display, I could hear it like it was trying to cut on. In the back, I could hear the vibrations and it wanting to cut on. It just didn't. But now, it's a black screen. And I've already went and watched YouTube videos of trying to, revive the device. None of that worked. So now I'm left with sending it in. As soon as I get the box, I'll probably do an update of me packaging it up and packaging it up, and I'll let you know how long it takes for them to get back to me. Let me know if I need it, let me know if it was fixable, and let me know if I get a replacement. I'll keep you guys up to date because you may want to know about that. So if you have to do this for yourself, you can kind of see what kind of time frame it will give you. If you have any kind of information or help for me in the description below, if you think it's something I can fix on my own, let me know. But right now I'm just waiting to get the box and ship this bad boy back. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.